Hi guys, so I'm going to show you on how to use Microsoft Excel by performing arithmetic operations, sorting data, and creating a chart. Okay, so let's click the Excel apps, then click the plus sign, and next step, click the blank workbook. Okay, so in letter A, let's just put a numbers. Okay, so and in letter B, let's just put text. Letter C naman, let's put addition. Letter C and letter D, let's put subtraction. And letter E, multiplication. And lastly, division. Okay, so in numbers, let's put po a random numbers po. Okay, so so I'm gonna put 10. Next 20. Next 30. Next 40. Next 50. So kahit ano pong numbers ang ilagay nyo, it's okay po. $80, $90. Okay, so in letter B po, I'm gonna put a name of things. So maglalagay po tayo ng kahit anong mga bagay na gusto nating ilagay. Okay, so like shoes, bags, shirts, jackets, watches, hats, socks, glasses, belts, and lastly, scarves. Okay, so So sa addition po, like for example, kapag 10 ang numbers po natin and mag-a-add lang po tayo ng plus 15. So 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Okay, 20 plus 15, of course 35. Ganyan na po, add ng 15. 30 plus 15, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115. Okay, next sa subtraction naman, less than lang po ang gagawin natin. 10 less 10 is equals to negative 5. 20 less sa 10 less 10 is equals to 0 pala, sorry. Okay, so next sa bag, 20 less 10, so 10 po. 30 less 10, 20. 40 less 10, 30. 50 less 10, 40. 60 less 10, 50. Ganyan na po. Less 10 lang po palagi. So 100 less 10, 90. Okay, so sa multiplication naman po tayo. Sa multiplication, times 3 lang po ang gagawin natin. Every number. So 10 times 3 is 30. 20 times 3, 60. 30 times 3, 90. 40 times 3, 120. 50 times 3, 150. 60 times 3, 180. 70 times 3, 210. 80 times 3, 240. 90 times 3, 270. And lastly, 100 times 3, 300. Okay, so last, sa division naman tayo. Okay, so sa every number po, divided by into 5 lang po ang gagawin natin. Okay, so 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. 2. 20 divided by 20 divided by 5. 4 po. 30 divided by 5. 6. So 40 divided by 5. 8. 50 divided by 5. 10. 60 divided by 5. 12. 70 divided by 5. 14. 80 divided by 5 is 16. 18 and 100 divided by 5. 20. Okay, so yan na po, ganyan na po ang step by step po. So yun na po. Thank you.